in this video, we'll look at incrementation in Julia and also addition assignment and other assignment. So why? You'll see that very fast. First, look that we are in the notebook number 5, incrementation and addition assignment. So I will just start and I will first assign a 1 to a variable x. So now x is equal 1. Now in many languages, what you would do is do x++ and x++ would be x equal whatever value it has before plus 1. It's just a way to add 1 to something. So we can count, and each time there is something, I just add 1. So you would do plus plus, and yeah, so this in Julia, like in Python, doesn't work. And here it might be the first error we're looking at together, is basically saying, hey, something is really wrong here. So don't worry about that. That's not really important right now. I can even clean it so you don't have to see the full error. Just remember, you cannot use plus plus. So you can use something else. What we will use is this, the addition assignment. So instead of doing plus plus, we'll do x. It has to be already defined, but we did it, right? X is equal 1. And we'll say x is plus equal 1. So this it is exactly the same as this, x is equal to x plus 1, right? So x was 1. So x plus equal 1, it's 2. It doesn't have to be 1 here. It could be something else. I could, for instance, put a 3 here. So it means add 3 to whatever value x was. So x was 2. I run that, and now x is 5. Cool? So now let's do something else. Put it back so it's clean. And we'll have here, so see here I changed this, but then I didn't run the cell, so it's not changing anything. X is still 5. If I run that, then I would be adding 1, and then it would be 6. So now this is a multiplication assignment, right? I have the star, like for multiplication, and then equal and 5. So here what I'm saying is whatever value x had, multiply it by 5. And it was 5, so it's going to be 25, right? So that's the way, and I could use it several times. It could be another number. It's just a way to take the value you had inside and multiply it. Now we can do exactly the same with the division assignment. And here, whatever value you had now, divide it by 2 and save it in yourself. We can do the same with the subtraction assignment. Here, I'm removing 2. Again, it could be whatever number, right? And then we can do the same also with exponential. So here would be 10.5, and I'm saying exponent yourself 3 times, so it means do that x is now equal to x per x per x, right? So it's going to be 10.5 multiplied by 10.5 multiplied by 10.5, and it gives me this, right? And I can show you that I'm not crazy. And that's exactly what we just did here. Cool. So that's it for today. We know now how to increment and do addition assignment instead of incrementation, and we're good for the next lecture.